So, tomorrow we will have the annual 4th grade rainforest in my classroom, and we will be giving tours. I want to give people just a little sneak peek. Check it out. She'll feel it. We have scaffolding. Kids will be up there. Trying to give you a sense for it as you come in the door. It's really hard to tell unless you're in here to get a full idea. This, by the way, is supposed to be a waterfall. Yes, yes, Laura, that looks like a waterfall. We'll go with that. You get a little feel for what it's going to look like tomorrow. But imagine it dark and all sorts of cool lighting and kids acting as animals and using their iPads for presentations, and we have humidifiers running, so it's going to be really steamy in here. Should be awesome.